Picture this: your app crashes, deadlines loom, and despite top-tier tech and a skilled team, your project is unraveling. Why does this happen? The answer often lies beyond the code, in human factors. Today, full-stack dev community, we dive into the 5 whys method, a powerful tool from Toyota's playbook that uncovers the root of technical failures. Get ready to rethink how you debug and build stronger systems. Let's jump in. Developed by Sakichi Toyota for Toyota's manufacturing lines, the 5 whys method is a deceptively simple, yet powerful technique. By asking why multiple times, often 5, you drill down to the root cause of any issue. In software, it's not just about fixing bugs, it's about uncovering miscommunications, flawed assumptions, or gaps in knowledge that lead to those bugs. Think of it as debugging the human side of development. The first step is to define the problem with crystal clarity. Instead of saying the app is broken, pinpoint it. The payment gateway fails to process transactions for 10% of users. A precise problem statement sets the foundation for effective analysis, ensuring you're not chasing vague symptoms, but targeting the real issue. This focus is critical for meaningful results. Turn your problem into a why question and ask it repeatedly, using each answer to form the next question. For example, why does the payment gateway fail? Might lead to, because the API times out. Keep going until you hit the root cause. Don't be rigid about 5 questions. Sometimes it takes 3, sometimes 7. Once found, implement countermeasures like automated tests or better onboarding to prevent recurrence. Let's apply it. Why does the payment gateway fail for 10% of users? The API times out. Why? It's overloaded with requests. Why? The system lacks proper load balancing. Why? The team didn't anticipate high traffic. Why? No stress testing was conducted due to a rushed launch. Countermeasure. Implement load balancing and mandatory stress tests before deployment. The 5 whys uncovers hidden human errors, fosters team collaboration, and drives preventive solutions. It builds a culture of learning, not blame. But beware. Don't get hung up on exactly 5 questions. Focus on the root cause. And avoid finger-pointing. The goal is improvement. Used right, this method will elevate your team's problem-solving to the next level. To maximize the 5 whys, involve your team for diverse perspectives. Document each why. To track insights and test countermeasures before full deployment. Avoid common pitfalls like stopping too early or focusing on symptoms. Make it a habit, and watch your debugging transform into a strategic superpower for your projects. The 5 whys isn't just a tool. It's a mindset for relentless problem solvers. By asking why, you'll uncover truths that transform your projects. Full-stack dev community, try this in your next sprint and share your stories in the comments. Keep coding, keep questioning, and build systems that stand the test of time.